The Honorable Nonoy Defensor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Enough has been said this morning, and it bears stressing that part of the due process is to conduct a hearing so that the respondent could also present her evidence formally. And it is also worth stressing that part of due process is expediting an impeachment proceeding. Dapat po mabilis ang isang impeachment process kasi kung walang kasalanan si Vice President Sara Duterte, dapat ma-dismiss na ito at hindi na siya maaabala at makabalik na tayo sa ating trabaho. At dapat mapabilis din dahil kung may kasalanan ang isang respondent, ay dapat mapatrial na ito para madesisyonan ng Senado kung manatili man siya o matanggal sa pwesto. Therefore, Madam Chairman, may I encourage the members of this committee that we proceed with the next step of the chairman in our agenda so we can fruitfully end this day, and whether or not we proceed with the conduct of a hearing, we will determine it as soon as possible. Thank you.
Honorable
Chair.
Defensor, would you like to move that we proceed to voting?
Madam Chair, I move that we decide to declare the third impeachment complaint as having sufficient grounds to conduct a hearing.
Is there any